Hi, I'm David from Chef's Temp. Firmware updates keep your ProTemp S1 and Breezo fan up to date with the latest technology and performance improvements. It's something you're really going to want to do. So today, I'll guide you step by step to update their firmware. Let's go ahead and get started. First, ensure your ProTemp S1 is paired with your phone. Open the Chef's Temp app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select My Connections. Choose your ProTemp S1, then scroll to Firmware Update and tap it. If an update is available, select Download an Update and then Confirm. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until you see Complete. The S1 will restart. Once you see the temperature showing on the S1, then tap Complete to finish. Now close the app and restart it. Go back to My Connections to check if the firmware version has updated, and if it hasn't, log out of the app, log back in, and verify again. Your ProTemp S1 should now be running the latest firmware. Next, let's update the Breezo fan. So connect your Breezo fan to power using the original adapter and cable. Press the power button to confirm the fan is running and powered on. Open the Chef's Temp app, tap the three dots, select My Connection, and choose your Breezo fan. Tap Firmware Update, select Download an Update, and wait 1 to 2 minutes until Complete appears. Then just tap Complete to finish. Close the app and reopen it. Check My Connection to confirm that the Breezo fan's firmware version has updated, and if not, log out, log back in, and check again to ensure for the latest version. That's it. Your ProTemp S1 and Breezo fan are now updated and ready to cook. If you have questions, feel free to contact our support team at info@chefstemp.com or join our Facebook community by searching Chef's Temp to connect with other users.